Number 4. Farberware Countertop Dishwasher. Compact, yet powerful, the Farberware Countertop Dishwasher shines in small kitchens. Its space-saving design measures just 17 inches deep and long, making it a top choice for anyone with limited countertop space. This model boasts 5 versatile settings, allowing you to tackle everything from regular dishes to delicate glassware. A fruit wash setting is particularly handy for those who love fresh produce, and the baby care option sanitizes bottles with steam, providing peace of mind for new parents. After washing, automatic air circulation effectively dries your dishes, saving you time. One of its standout features is the 5-liter tank, which grants flexibility by eliminating the need for a faucet hookup. If you prefer a direct connection, it's ready for that too. Just remember, an adapter isn't included. Capacity remains a consideration. With room for just 2 place settings, this unit works best for a solo dweller or a couple. However, it impressively accommodates dishes up to 12 inches in diameter, unlike many competitors that lack such versatility. What I love most about this dishwasher is its efficiency paired with compact design. It simplifies post-meal cleanup, making it a reliable kitchen ally. On the flip side, its limited capacity may challenge larger households, but it really shines for those dining in twos. Still searching for the perfect countertop and portable dishwasher? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed.